Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from Glossy Box, and this is a new subscription for this channel and for me. They've been around for a while. It is a beauty subscription box where you receive 5 beauty products. They state that it has over a $60 value, and they offer month-to-month plans, 3, 6, and 12-month prepaid plans, and this is $21 per month. And I know this month, which is March of 2019, on their website, it says this month for 20% off of the Glossy Box, Beauty Box, put in the code NEW20, and that's NEW20 to save 20%. I know I was able to use a code when I got the box, so I don't know if that's something that they offer like for your first box or if they have a code every month. But each month when I do this one, I will let you guys know. So let's get right into the box. So I just pulled the tab. It comes in a box like this, so it says Glossy Box, and I just pulled the tab to open it. And in the box there's a wine voucher. I never use those. And then it comes in this really pretty pink box, so we'll get rid of the black box. So this is the box right here, which is very nice. It's a nice box. So this is something that you could, oh, that's a real pretty box. So that's something you could use for storage, and it comes wrapped like this with a nice bow. Very nice presentation and packaging so far. And it comes with a booklet, or like a pamphlet, and it tells you what's coming soon, about this month that they're celebrating the incredible contributions to women's empowerment, which is nice. And then it tells you all the products that are inside the box, so we'll use that for reference. Nice, really nice pretty tissue with a sticker. Oops, let's try not to destroy it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Very nice black, you know, the little ribbon confetti stuff. So let's do the first product that's here on the paper. Oh, it's this product right here. And this is a sample size right here. And this is from Yensa. And this is Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. And the featured size is 7 ml. Which it states right there. Let's pull this back out. And the featured size value is $15. And that's nice that they tell you the featured size and the featured value versus the value of the full size, and then you have to, you know, figure it out for yourself. So this is a lightweight primer, helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles like most primers do. It has a satin sheen finish that gives you your skin a radiant look and feel. It does like every other primer, minimizes the appearance of pores and evens out your skin tone for a flawless appearance. I did receive this, maybe not this product, but a Yensa product in another box, and I did use it and like it, so I'll be more than happy to try that out. And like I said, I'm going to show you here. So for Yensa, it does tell you right here, it says featured size and the featured value price. So that's nice. I like that. And then we're going to go into, I think it's this product. Yes. And this is DWTN Paris. And this is a highlighter. And this lightly powdered cream highlighter offers a texture for easy application and a lustrous finish. And this helps protect against pollution and harmful effects of light, which is good. And this featured size is 20 ml, and the featured value is $25. So that's nice. Give that a try. And this feels pretty full, and so does, that doesn't feel too bad. And then the next product, which is, I would assume this is a full-size product. Oh, this is heavy. Here, and this company is Nuria, Nuria, and this is a rescue rebalancing cleanser. Ooh, that's nice. I'm not mad about that. Designed to relieve and rebalance acne-prone skin, this multitasking cleanser uses the gentle astringency of mandarin orange extract. Rice water, which is rich in vitamin B and C, is used to promote daily skin firmness. It's perfect for every day, acne or no acne. Maintain and cleans the skin. So this is full size with a value of $26, and this is 200 ml. So that is a full size product. So let's open this up so that we can, it's taped, which I'm not mad about. I like to see things with seals and tapes that you know that they are, have not been tampered with or open. In this day and age, it's kind of nice to see that. So this is the bottle right here. So that's a nice size, and it has what looks to be a pump that you just probably turn and unlock and then turn it back to lock it. So that's nice. I'm not... I'll be more than glad to try that. And the product that most of us will have heard of is Briogeo. And this is Don't Despair, Repair, Strengthen Moisture, Leave-In Mask. And this is for your hair. I think it's the Rosarco Milk leave-in conditioner, and it is lovely. I mean, I spray it in after I wash my hair. And I generally don't dry my hair. I let it air dry, and then maybe like the next day, or if that day I'm going out, I will style it, usually with either flat iron or a curling iron or something like that. And my hair is so smooth and shiny and silky for a couple days, which I get, beyond that, your hair starts to get dirty and it's not going to be, feel so great anyway. But this is a great size because you only need a few sprays, and this is a spray bottle. So this is a 2-ounce size, and it's a value of $14. And that I remember from looking up this size. I think we got it in a Boxy Luxe or a Boxy Charm. I'm really not sure the Rosarco Milk, and I think it was $14 on the website. So that's an accurate value. So I'm excited to try that. Every time I wash my hair a few times a week. I don't wash it every day, and I do use that every time. So that has taken the place of a lot of the products that I was currently using. And then this last item, which is from Mana Kadar, and they are a beauty company and with very nice products. I've tried many products from them. And this is a Bloom volumizing mascara, and this is 10 ml. I think the size, yes. And it says full size, so this is a full size product. And the featured value is $29. So let's open this up. I will open it up, if I can open it, to show you the wand. But I believe this packaging, yes, really nice, slick packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. Really cute. It's got like that twist. Oh, and it has a really nice wand on it. And I don't think I've tried their mascara, but I've tried their shadows and some of their other products. And this kind of is a little luxurious to the touch. It's like a shiny black finish. And I believe that's it for the 5 products. So we have the cleanser, the leave-in hair conditioner. This is a highlighter. We have a primer, and then we have a mascara, and of course they sent the wine card in. So that is, and I know Glossy Box, I do believe, is more of an international type company. I know Glossy Box is over. I see a lot of UK YouTube creators posting from Glossy Box, so I do believe you can get it in other countries. I don't know about all countries. But I will be also, this box has a nice finish to it, so I will be, saving that, and I can use it for giveaways or just to store items in. And that is the video for today from Glossy Box, and this is their March 2019 box. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. I also do have a 500 subscriber giveaway going on. I think we're about 445, so we have a little bit to go yet before I can pick a winner. So I will link that video down in the description. So watch the video and enter. You just have to leave a comment to win, but I would like you to be subscribed to the channel. And also in the box behind, the light box behind, I am considering, I have not changed it yet. Let me move this out of the way. I'm considering changing the name of my channel. Right now it's my name, and you know, had been thinking about it maybe for the last month or two to try to find something that is a little bit more catchy and a little bit more in tune with what this channel is all about. So I am considering in the next week to change the name of the channel to Unbox It with Maureen. This way it if you see the title, you have a better idea of what the channel is all about. So let me know in the comments below if you like that name. If there's something else that you think would be better, I would be open to accept all your comments and consider anything that you let me know if something is better, or if you like this name, you don't like it, so forth, or if you just want me to leave it alone, because I'm not sure if I should change it or not, but I'm considering it. So that's the video for today, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.